Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a reported Facebook account. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. If you meant recovering a Facebook account because you can't log in, all right, and you suspect you have been reported, well, maybe that's not the case. Maybe the problem is you've been hacked, all right? Now, if your only problem is that you're reported or one of your contents has been reported, so what you can do basically is just go ahead over to Facebook. Now open up the three horizontal lines. Now go to your profile. And then go ahead and tap on the three dots right here at the very top. And then go ahead over to profile status. Okay. Now in this section, you'll be able to see a list of extra features. Now it will say, or one of the features right here will say inactive, reported, or ones with the red background. Okay, go ahead and tap on that specific feature, and then you're going to want to tap on disagree with decision or request a review. All right, and then in the next page, you'll be able to see a text box. You got to provide any context requested by the prompt. For example, let them know that you haven't posted anything that violates the Meta community standards or Facebook's community standard or whatever reason that you have. Okay, just go ahead and let them know. And after that, Facebook will review it within 24 to 48 hours. And once done, you should be able to get your Facebook account back. Now, if you say your account has been hacked, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check it out. Well, that's it for now. That is how you recover a reported Facebook account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.